Xbox.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the LCD display assembly from a Dell Inspiron 1721. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. The first thing you want to do is slide the latches over to unlock and remove the battery. Loosen Wi-Fi door screws. Now unplug antenna cables. The next thing you want to do is remove the bottom and back hinge screws. The next thing you're going to do is remove the keyboard screws. Now slide up and remove keyboard. Now unscrew, then unplug LCD cable. Now loosen wireless cables and pull apart LCD assembly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.